Lose fat around the belly is the most difficult when losing weight. Belly fat is also particularly harmful. It can lead you to type 2 diabetes and heart disease. To successfully lose belly fat, the key lies right in your kitchen. This is an amazing fat-burning drink that will help you burn belly fat quickly. You just need some natural ingredients available in your kitchen and follow the instructions in this video to make it. After drinking this fat-burning drink, it improves the function of your metabolism and cleans your body from toxins, helping you lose belly fat quickly. Before starting the recipe, please tell us your age, your current weight, and the weight you want to lose in the comment section of this video. We will give you the weight loss recipes right for your age and your condition in the next videos. Then, click the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell to won't miss our next video. The main ingredient of this drink is grapefruit, which efficiently releases toxins, stimulates metabolism, and burns fat. You need 6 wedges of grapefruit. Remove the membranes and seeds and add all of the flesh into a glass jar. Grapefruit helps stimulate metabolism and improve fat burn because it contains naringenin, an antioxidant that helps your body use insulin more efficiently, keeping your blood sugar in check, which can lead to weight loss. Because grapefruits are loaded with water, they keep you hydrated and satisfied, helping you eat less. The next fat-burning ingredient of this recipe is orange. You also can use tangerine or mandarin. The water content of oranges is very high. Almost 87% of this fruit is water, so it will keep you hydrated. As per a 2014 study, the water-soluble vitamin found in oranges may help in obesity prevention and management. Moreover, the nutrient may reduce soreness and promote glycemic control while increasing the fat-burning process in the body. Last but not least, oranges are naturally sweet, so when you crave for something sweet, eat oranges. Cut an orange into thin slices. Don't forget to cleanse it before because we cut it without peeling. The orange peels are rich in fiber, vitamin C, calcium, and other essential nutrients. It contains a good amount of polyphenols that protect against several diseases. Peels have anti-cancerous properties, and the essential oil present in the peel has anti-inflammatory properties that boost your immunity power. After cutting, pour orange slices into the jar. The next ingredient of this recipe is cucumber. Cucumber is a fiber-rich veggie that helps keep you fuller for longer, further preventing you from untimely cravings and overeating. Cucumber infused water boosts your metabolism that helps in weight management. Cut a half of a cucumber in thin slices. If your cucumber is organic, don't peel it to get maximum benefit. After that, put all cucumber slices into the jar. 1.5 to 2 liters of water into the jar and stir well. Finally, add 2 peppermints or mint leaves. Mint aids the digestive process, allowing your body to eliminate waste more efficiently. Allow the ingredients to sit for 2 hours for maximum benefits. All you need to do is drink 1 cup, about 250 ml of this drink before the meal. Do this 3 times a day. Store the leftover portion in the fridge and drink throughout the day. Repeat the process for 10 days and marvel at the results.